Tamika James, based in northern New Jersey, is the creator of the DSW, the wig molding process, the Makani, and the roll and sew technique. Are you ready to create units without your client being present? Learn all the steps from the creator herself. Book your hands-on training session today. Visit teachmeweave.com or call 973-378-8999. Have you been wondering if Tamika can service you? Want her to do your weave or create a new unit for you? Tamika has a system of measuring your head so units are created in your absence. Just call the salon to book your appointment. She's normally in the salon during the week. Whenever she's not traveling, you can catch her on the weekends. Just call to book 973-378-8999.